I'm Kristen. I'm a TA for the engineering program at the Northwestern site of NSLC. Our Trebuchet activity is designed to introduce students to some of the basics of mechanical engineering. A Trebuchet is a launching device that utilizes a counterweight and a sling. So in this activity, we use PVC, duct tape, and twine to launch tennis balls in a competition between TA groups for the farthest launch.
My name is Vinay and I'm from Illinois. So basically we started off by coming up with a rough sketch of how we wanted to do it. So we agreed that we would use a rectangular prism to form the base of the trebuchet, and then we were also given a dowel rod. So we cut the dowel rod into thirds and then taped them together to form an axle that our trebuchet-like arm could rotate on. And then finally we had to come up with a sling, which was probably the hardest part to make. So we got third place out of the 3 teams, but that's okay. We got 10 feet, which we expected to do worse than that, so we beat our own expectations. So in that sense, I guess we won.
I'm Joey and I'm from Glencoe, Illinois. Towards the beginning, we were sort of doing ideation, everything. It was more of a calm, sort of just creative environment, but as time went on, you can imagine it got more and more stressful until it came down to the last 15 minutes when our sling was causing a lot of trouble. So we ended up really not having a good design, and our final run, which got us the farthest length, was just us changing things around quickly as a last-ditch effort, and that got us second place, which we're proud of, even though we're a little disappointed that we didn't get the first place prize. I learned the importance of being sort of a moderator towards the end of the build process, when everyone's really at the edge of really frustrated and things aren't working out. It's important to just sometimes take a step back from the whole process and just look at it from a different perspective.
I'm Marika and I'm from Cedar Falls, Iowa. We got first place. Our trebuchet got first place in the competition, and we're pretty proud of it. We used a slightly different method. We actually started by sketching everything out just on a sheet of paper, and then after we had a good idea, we used a sheet of paper to actually use as kind of like a baseline for our measurements. That's how we cut the PVC pipe with the pipe cutters. I learned that teamwork is extremely effective, and that just working in a group of people with all kinds of different ideas, you end up with a really great product in the end, even if there are some road bumps along the way, and it's a great experience.